Hello everyone, Mike Smith here from Hawkeye Traders, and today's options trade of the day, or one of the ones we're looking at today, is NVDA. As you see on the daily chart, we've reached quite an important line in the sand. We had a big jump subsequent to earnings after a fairly major pullback in the underlying, and since then we've teetered around this $32 mark, which just happens to be support from December through to early January when we capitulated, as we see on the chart here. So we've essentially been in an uptrend since that earnings report. But as you see, we've got a pivot high there at 31.90. We have got green buying volume, green heat map on this. So from the point of view of a potential entry on the daily chart, this is looking for a continuation of trend and really fits with the idea that the overall market appears to have broken a key line in the sand, also with the S&P breaking 1945 in the last session. So any follow through on this is likely to push this stock up sharply. Fundamentally, there's many reasons why NVIDIA looks pretty strong at this stage. If we skip to the 2-day chart, you'll see we have moved up into uptrend on the 2-day as well, that we've got the green buying volume in as well with the heat map. So this is consistent with the Hawkeye entry. And thirdly, of course, we look at the weekly time frame. We see those downtrend red dots leveling out, scrunching up as per the Hawkeye 3-step. And again, we've got high buying volume over that week, which again substantiates entry. So all in all, we've got a potential for a continuation of uptrend. We like NVIDIA fundamentally. Technically, it looks strong, and hence the reason why we're putting it in front of you today. So how will we play this? Well, look, probably my favorite trade for this is looking at a simple out of the money $34 call expiring in a couple of months. That corresponds with a potential high point relating to this pivot high that we saw at the back end of December. And if we look at the 2-day, again, we've got a series of pivots around 34. That would be why the strike price would be our preferred option entry. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.